They're not issuing anything.
A strong thunderstorm will affect southeastern Shelby, northwestern Champaign,
Just special weather statements.
Logan, east central Dark and Miami counties until 8:15 p.m.
As I said before,
At 7:52
last video,
radar indicated a strong thunderstorm
I don't get
near Pleasant
alerts,
Hill, moving northeast at 50 miles
sound
an
and
hour.
everything.
Storm hazards include winds to 50 miles an
Hold
hour.
up.
Locations impacted
Oh
include
my god, the lens is like all jacked up.
West Milton, Covington, St. Paris, Bradford, DeGraff, Pleasant Hill, Quincy, Gettysburg, Laura, Fletcher, Potsdam, Casthouse.
Don't mind that, please. I'm on IMBot and they just keep saying stuff about a strong thunderstorm. Turning it up a little bit. Hold on a second.
A cold front will move through the area this evening. High pressure will build in Tuesday and move off to the east Wednesday. Another cold front will cross the region on Thursday. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for central Ohio, including Columbus and vicinity. Overnight, mostly cloudy with showers with a chance of thunderstorms early this evening, then partly cloudy with showers likely. Cooler with lows in the mid-40s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles.
Alright. Let's track the storm. Jesus, alright. Here we go. Let's get on weather radar. And there it is. I'm right here. There. Storm is right here. It's all moving northeast. Sort of. All the winds are, this arrow right here indicates that it's going northeast. So, this part might miss us here, but I'm a little worried about this part right here. This part's probably gonna miss, but this one might hit. So we might get some rainfall here. So we'll see what happens there. For now, I'm just gonna monitor IMBot. KIG's been calling their name GIG. It's kind of weird. Turn this up a little bit. It's good enough, alright. Monitoring IMBot. Oh. Oh! What's that?
She said if that's real or no.
It's real.
The service in Wilmington has issued a severe
I don't know.
warning for Champaign County, Northern Clark County, southeastern Miami County until 9 p.m. At 8:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Tip City, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Troy, Vandalia, Urbana, Tip City, New Carlisle, Northridge, St. Paris, Mechanicsburg, North Lewisburg, Brown, Christiansburg, Northampton, Tremont City, Woodstock, Catawba, Casttown, Mutual,
Interesting storm.
Get out of the
way. Stop calling it.
77.
First alert tonight.
Radio, KIG 86. Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio.
Oh.
Interrupted our regular programming and severe weather is affecting our listening area.
That just happened.
The official National Weather Service forecast for central Ohio.
Just tornado possible.
Overnight, mostly cloudy with showers.
So there must be some rotation.
Early this evening, then partly cloudy with showers likely. Cooler with lows in the mid-40s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Except I don't
Up to
see.
35 miles an hour. Becoming northwest 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 35
Do not
miles
see
an hour. Chance of
the
rain
warning
90%.
pop up yet.
Tuesday.
Fresh.
Upper 60s.
There we go.
Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour.
I
Becoming
don't see any rotation.
Tuesday night, clear. Lows in the mid-40s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Lows in the mid-60s. South winds 10 to
It's gonna be a big
15
night.
miles an hour. And Thursday, mostly sunny in the morning.
One warning issued.